Here is how to change group description and icon on your group. Now click on the WhatsApp area. I already have this group open. Let me close that out. So you click on the group name, and now you click on the name of the group, or you can just click on this three-dotted icon and you can go to the group info. Now right here you can see where it says add group description, and I can click on this area and say I think this is enough, and then click OK. So anybody that opens the group is going to see the description. You can actually add as many as you want. And then another thing is to change this icon, which is the group icon. So you click on it, and then you click on the pencil icon, and then you go to the gallery and you choose the image you want as your image. So I think this is okay, and then I'm going to click on done. So it's going to load up and it just changed. Right now that is confirmed. So this is how to change the group icon and the group description. I hope this is helpful. If it is, a smash like, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.